Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter Q with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks that I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are a good friend. Try to watch the previous videos so that you can be able to understand this video. To learn how to read and write in English language, you must first of all know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The alphabet comes in the small letter and the capital letter. The small letter Q and the capital letter Q is the 17th letter of the alphabet. The first trick you must know is that the English alphabet, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter Q is pronounced as Q, Q, Q. Another trick is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter Q. When pronouncing the letter Q, the inner tongue raise up to touch the upper gum at the initial sound. Then the mouth push forward at the later sound to pronounce the sound Q, Q. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter Q is K, K, K. What part of the mouth was very useful in pronouncing the letter Q sound? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter Q sounds K. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter Q sounds K. 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 Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter Q sounds K are K, as in queen, K, as in quail, K, as in quill. Another trick I'll tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placements of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter Q, it is formed with a curve to the left, a stroke, and a slanted stroke. The capital letter Q is formed with a curve to the left merged with a curve to the right and a slanted stroke from within. So, between the capital letter Q and the small letter q, which of them has more lines? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.